Hello everyone, I'm Jenny. Today I will show you a source spray test for this black surface handle. A source spray test is an environmental test to examine the corrosion of products. This handle in my hand is tested after 96 hours. You can see the surface is no any corrosion. In general, 304 material is tested after 72 hours as this is powder coating surface. So it's no problem to check more time. In following, we will show you the change states of this handle during test by details, including the changes of the accessories. This is a source spray test machine. Attached the specification of the product. After testing, we kept 1 month to see the surface. You can see the surface is good without any corrosion, but as the accessory specification is 201 material insert and the iron base is corroded and the rust water is seeping from the inner hole. You will see it, but the function is no any problem. We will check it. So to avoid the rust problem, you can use all 304 material. That will be no problem. That's all. Thank you for your watching. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.